Hi everyone, let's see how you can move the taskbar to top, left or right in Windows 11. So for the purpose, we will be using a tool. Simply open your browser and search for Explorer Patcher GitHub. From the search results, go to this first web page. Then under releases, click on latest. Then scroll down the page. Click here to download the setup file. Once downloaded, right-click over the file and run it as administrator. Now right-click on the taskbar and go to Properties. Here you'll see the option Primary Taskbar Location on screen. You can select any of the options from top, left or bottom and click on Restart File Explorer, and that will take your taskbar to your desired location. Now if you plan to restore the taskbar to Windows 11 default, then proceed as follows. You'll need the setup file that you just downloaded. Simply rename this setup file to ep_uninstall. Now run this file as administrator. Click on yes and the default taskbar will be back to action. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.